Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Today I just wanted to share a couple of new digitals that were recently put into the coffee shop and also on Creative Fabrica. Now we have a 18-page background and then a 8-page Christmassy. So this is winter scenery and they are digital papers. And you fold them in half if you want. Use them as collage. Print them smaller. Use them as like a postcard type thing. So there is 18. Kind of a, I want to say muted, but it's kind of like, almost like a hazy day, like in the winter. Sometimes in the winter, the days just aren't like really clear. But just beautiful scenery pictures with some animals and people just out enjoying the wilderness. All in shades of like blues, grays, pink, orange, sunset type. But they turned out really nice, and I think they would be really nice printed, like 4 to a page. And turn them into like a postcard style. And as I say, it's 18 pages. You can print off a few pages, all the pages. All up to you. I really like them. But the links are below to the shops. And then we have Merry Animal cards. This is 8 pages long, and they're all dealing with like forest animals with a little bit of a Christmassy, well, not a little bit, with the Santa hat and everything on there. Definitely Christmas, but it could be used just in the winter or just because you love animals. So there's quite a few of this size, bigger than an ATC, but close. And then I did throw a couple different sizes in here. All the actual pictures on the cards are actually all different. They're similar, but they are all different. And then I did some little squares. These are so great for hidden paper clips or for different embellishments. And then just a variety of a few different sizes of tags there. So that is the Merry Animals. I think these are really, really cute. I like how they turned out. Oops. And then we have the winter scenery. You can grab these in the shop. Check out all the links below. Like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. We'll see you soon. Bye.